Hi guys, welcome back to Math Jamboree. Today we have another digital SATs type of a question in the topic of exponents. Let's dive into it. Which of the following is equal to n to the power of 1 over 5 for all values of n? Now let's write this down first. N to the power of 1 over 5. Now right now there's a rule. Write yourself a root down as well. The numerator stays always next to the n, so it's gonna be like n to the power of 1, and this 5, the denominator, comes outside of the root. That's the rule. Now let's write it down. N to the power of 1 stays inside of the root, and this 5 is outside of the root, like this. But now, if you have a numerator and it's a 1, you don't have to write the 1 down. For example, the solution to this given question is A, and they didn't write the 1 down. You don't really have to, because it's a 1, right? And we highly suggest you to, for any topic, we highly suggest that you stop the video first, take a screenshot, and solve it by yourself first, and then continue watching the video and check the solution if you did it correctly or not, because that's how you learn and profit the most from our videos. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, always comment down below. Thank you.